You heard the Chief Minister of Assam today say the fact that this is now a political poll plank as far as the upcoming Assam 2026 elections are concerned. The probe into Zubin Garg's death and the demand by the people of Assam for the truth to come out will be defining when it comes to the Chief Minister himself campaigning for the next election.
So, well, I will start with, first of all, you please let me put some points very clearly. Like tonight, I would start with some similar cases in Bollywood. If we peel back the glam facade of the Bollywood world to expose a shadow lane where crime, underworld muscles, and celebrity mix with alarming regularity. So, too many mysterious deaths, Krishna, in Bollywood happened when the Congress party was running in the country, I must say. And now I'm coming to your question, whatever you asked me right now. So, if you talk about this is for campaigning, and also I must tell you one thing, let me clarify this with logic but not with emotion, of course. So first of all, when a public figure dies like Zubin Garg and previously many other like Sushant Singh Rajput, then Divya Bharati, then Zia Khan, many more. So under the unclear circumstances, a responsible government does not jump to conclusions overnight. All right, so governance is not a newsroom theatrics, it's an evidence driven process. So if someone asks, why did not the Assam government call it a murder on day one, or is it for campaigning? My answer is very simple. First of all, the governments do not announce conclusion, they announce the findings. And if the government had called it murder without proof, the same critic could have told or said, where is the evidence? Why are you sensationalizing the matter? Why are you trying to do it for campaigning and all? So on a very serious note, in a serious investigation, especially those involving international jurisdiction like Singapore, the forensic excess, the medical reports, the legal clearances, and all the other things, it really takes time. So the premature statements can definitely destroy a case. So in a criminal jurisprudence, the early public accusations can alert the suspects, then trigger the destruction of the evidence and influence the witness. And now if I talk about the politicizing the matter for the vote bank, then I don't think that the present chief minister need those sort of dirty politics to play just to win a vote. And lastly, I would like to tell you the political presence prove this approach is standard. Like Sushant Singh Rajput case, if I talk about, because I have worked with Sushant in the film called Byomkesh Bakshi. I might be a political analyst, but long back I have worked as an actor with Sushant. So I know him personally. I know that he cannot commit suicide. But suddenly it happened. Everybody created the narrative. He was frustrated. He did that. He did those things. So he just committed suicide.